Next question, the member for Humber River, Black Creek.
Thank you, Speaker. My question is for the Premier. This Conservative government is making massive concessions to the auto insurance industry in their regressive new plan. Right there in black and white, the government is planning to allow insurance companies to jack up drivers' insurance rates even more if they don't have perfect credit by allowing insurance companies to ask for your credit history to determine how much you have to pay. That will be devastating to families in areas like Humber River, Black Creek, Brampton, Scarborough, even the Premier's own riding, who are already overpaying because of the neighbourhood they live in. What you pay for auto insurance should be based on your driving record, not where you live, and not based on your credit rating. Premier, what on earth does credit rating have to do with your driving record?
The question to the Premier.
Minister of Finance.
Referred to the Minister of Finance.
Thank you very much for the question. You know, it's so clear, Speaker, that the Liberal NDP system of failed stretch goals on auto insurance is broken. It is completely broken. They have done nothing about this. Our plan that we proposed in the budget will provide choice. Will provide choice for families. It's putting the drivers first. It will allow the drivers to be able to select items for their own insurance. It will allow the insurance companies to offer options to drivers that they can't option, that they are no longer or aren't available today. This is an opportunity, Speaker, to modernize, to digitize. You'll be able to use an app now for your driver insurance instead of having it on a pink form in your glove compartment. We're modernizing government, we're transforming government, we're digitizing government, and auto insurance is a big part of this program, Speaker.
Absolutely. Supplementary question.
I see that the minister doesn't want to talk about that dark secret in their auto insurance plan. The Conservative government voted against my bill, the Lower Automobile Insurance Act, that would have lowered auto insurance premiums for millions of Ontario's drivers. According to economist and auto insurance expert Dr. Fred Lazar, my bill could have lowered how much drivers have to pay for insurance by $1 billion a year province-wide. Instead, this government is giving rich auto insurance companies new discriminatory tools to go after drivers based on their credit rating. Why is this government siding with rich auto insurance companies over Ontario drivers who are being gouged?
That's right.
Minister.
Premier, drivers across Ontario have been pushing for 15 long years for change to this file, and we are bringing that. And rather than meaningful change from us, we continue to hear these programs from the NDP and the Liberals that go absolutely nowhere. So let's hear from a couple of professionals. The Canadian Automobile Association, the CAA Insurance, is pleased to see that the 2019 provincial budget provides Ontario motorists greater choice around auto insurance so that coverage better suits individual needs. The Insurance Bureau of Canada, quote, the Ontario government's multi-year plan to fix auto insurance is a win for consumers. These changes will give consumers greater choice in their coverage and better control over the price they pay for auto insurance. Speaker, it's so awful to see that this government, the opposition, is not going to support this budget and bring choice and lower costs for insurance for the families of Ontario.